Hi, my name is Emma, and today we will open together this package from JAMARI BEAUTY. I can't wait to open it. I ordered so many things, so we will open it together. I'm so excited. I waited this with all of my heart. Okay, the DHL send it to me. Okay, let's see what I got here. Okay, so first of all, I see a very good packing, a very nice packing, so the makeup can be destroyed. It's very nice. They took so much care with my order, and also the shipment was very fast. I think I received it in 1 week from USA, because their fabrics the makeup. And I wanted to tell you first, before we try all the makeup here, I wanted to tell you that JAMARI BEAUTY is a brand cruelty-free and vegan, so it's not tested on animals, and also is not contain products from animal products. As animal lover, as you can see, I have 3 cats. As an animal lover, I want to spend all my money on products who care about animals, and JAMARI BEAUTY cares about animals. So I wanted to tell you. And another thing that I really appreciate about them is that they fabricate the products when the order is placed. So after I place the order, the persons who work there, they fabricate my products after I place the order, so the products can be fresh. I really appreciate this. I never met this type of orders before, but I really like it. And now let's open my order. Okay, so first we have this. Okay, but first of all, before I tell you what is it, look at the brand. It's so beautiful, it's so gorgeous, it's designed for girls. I love it. I love this. Look how cute, and it's so aesthetic. Okay, so here we have cool eyeliner. Look, he said it's made in USA, like I told you. Okay, so look, it's white. I ordered it because all my life I wanted an eyeliner white, and this was the moment. Okay, so let's try it right now. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy. Look at this product. I love it. I really love it. Okay, and right now we will try it as well as in my eye. I want to do an eyeliner with this crayon. Okay, look at it. It's so white, oh my gosh, and also I have white skin, so I think it wasn't possible to see on my eye, but look how good this is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can also paint with this. Let's do a snowflake. Look, I did a snowflake. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I freaking love this. Okay, so the first product satisfied me.